Welcome to Foundation of Clinical Medicine course, and welcome to the small group. In this short video, I will introduce you to what is expected from you in the second, third, and fourth week. During these weeks, you are expected to participate in each lab, and you are expected to do the following 3 tasks. The first task, so you should conduct the interview with the patient. In that interview, you should make sure that you use the appropriate communication and interpersonal skills. You covered the medical database, and you finished the history. The second task, you should participate in a feedback debriefing discussion with your colleagues and with the patient to talk about your performance, to get the point that you missed and the point that you did very well, and to know how can you improve yourself. The third task is to prepare your patient for physical examination, and you will be asked to perform the vital signs and the skin examination in the appropriate labs. During these labs, your performance will be assessed on each lab, and we have specific tools to assess your performance. So for the first task, for performing an interview with the patient, your tutor and the patient will assess you. So they will assess you based on rubric 1 and rubric 3. So rubric 1 is used by your tutor and your colleague to assess your performance in the interview, and rubric 3 is used by the patient to assess your communication and interpersonal skills. So please give yourself time to go and review those rubrics to understand them well, so you can be able to improve your performance. The last task that you will do is to prepare your patient for physical examination. Again, that task will be assessed by rubric 2, which is physical diagnosis rubric. So the tutor will use that rubric, and your colleague, they will use that rubric to assess your performance for the task. So remember, you should do all these tasks in an efficient way. So you will be given a specific time for each task. So you have to finish that task within that time. If you fail to do that, that will affect your feedback for sure. Moreover, your professional appearance is being evaluated. Your participation and interaction within the small group also is evaluated. You must help your group to learn and perform those tasks, and you must help your colleague by giving them the appropriate feedback. All these skills are assessed with a rubric, so you can look at the screen. So this is a rubric that can assess your learning in each lab. So you have to remember all these rubrics, and you have to familiarize yourself with them so you can improve yourself throughout the course. During this lab, if you have any concern or any question, or if there is any information that is not clear, don't hesitate to ask your tutor or the instructors. You can send us an email, you can come to the front desk, and you can discuss those questions with us. Or you can ask those questions on the forum on Sakai, and we will answer them. I hope that you enjoy this lab and you learn, and looking to see you improving your communication skills. Thank you.